Hello and welcome back to MKC Electronics. Today I have another unboxing for you guys, but it's a little bit different than I do usually, like headphones and computer stuff. Today I have a phone. It did release last week from this date, and yeah, it's new iPhone. This one is an iPhone 11. It's in a black color and 64 gigabytes. I was lucky enough to get the hands on this one, because my brother, he did get one, and he was so kind and wait on me so I can unbox it for you guys on a video. Alright, so it's time to unbox it. I have just one take because I have just one phone, so better not mess it up. So actually, before I open it, I want to talk a little bit about the packaging. Yeah, I have a packaging from iPhone XR from last year. If you will be so kind and pass it to me, thank you. Yeah, so this is iPhone 11 packaging and iPhone XR. Let me help you here a little bit, like that. So not much did change. It's still iPhone, still upload everywhere. If you didn't tell me actually this one is 11, I wouldn't know what is what. So the packaging is the same. Picture and everything. They did change it. So the XR did had a picture from the from the front. The iPhone 11 have a picture from the back because that is the biggest upgrade this year was the cameras. So that's why they did make a picture from the back. But without further ado, let's unbox this one, because somebody is waiting for that to get the phone. Actually, his own phone. So let's do the peel off here. Yeah, actually quite simple. Look, I just one pull and it did fall all apart. You can just lift it up. All right. And it feels airtight. Okay. So yeah, iPhone 11. He did get the black color. Me personally, I would choose the red one because it's look cool, and I like flashy phones. And my own phone, it's in a blue. I got a blue one, XR. And this year, actually, the red color, it's to support charity which is fighting with AIDS and HIV. So if you buy the red color iPhone, you support those people to help them to fight this disease. They did make this phone in black, red, yellow, green, and purple. That's for the colors, and let's have a look on the phone itself. So yeah, or maybe just put it aside because we will talk about the rest of the video. Let's have a look at what is inside the box. So first thing first, on top you get the Apple thing. Hello, the start guide. And paperwork. You have your pin for the SIM card. You get some other papers, Apple sticker, and under that you will get your charger. This iPhone it does support fast charging, but you are not getting one. You have to buy your own fast charger, but this one will do as well. It will charge nicely. 5-volt one standard charger. Same headphones like from last year. Yeah, same packaging, same way. Actually, I tried to put it back in how they did, and I never could do that. It's impossible actually to put it back in packaging how it was originally. So if you don't want to use them, just don't undo that, because it's impossible to put it back. At least for me, it was impossible. I can't even close it now. So, and the last thing what I can find here is the lighting to USB cable. No, we can't do that. No, it's fine. So let's have a look on the phone itself. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna take my own XR from the shelf, from the case. And let's have a look how it looks like. So design wise, Let's see. So from the side, they look the same. Yeah, the buttons, the SIM card, everything the same. From the front, as well, same. Side, same. And now the biggest change here, as I said, it's the camera. So now we have the normal camera and the ultra wide camera. And the XR have just normal camera, and the ultra wide he does by the software. What they did move the Apple logo from top portion to the middle on the iPhone 11. Now it's in the middle, and I would say that's it by design. It's look exactly the same. So the biggest changes are inside, obviously, with the specifications and new Bionic 13 chip. I can't lock the phone. Yeah, new Bionic 13 chip, and now we have a Dolby Atmos on the speakers and Dolby Vision HDR10, and we still didn't get OLED. It's still IPS display. So the design-wise, this iPhone 11 is the same to XR, at least to my eye. It's look the same. I didn't find any differences on it. But the main change, it's the front-facing camera, the rear camera, and design-wise, it's the logo. It's moved down. So if we move out to turning on actually this phone, it's the first time actually powered on. Let's see, it's powered on, and we should be welcome with the classic hello in 1,000 languages, or how many languages is there. And now let's talk about the display. The display, it's still the same IPS display what was on the XR. So they call it liquid retina IPS LCD captive touchscreen, and it's have a 16 million colors. The size is 6.1 inches on this one, and the resolution is 828 by 1792 pixels. In the aspect ratio, it's 19.5 by 9, and PPI density is 326. And it can get bright up to 625 nits. For the speakers, we're getting stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, and overall improvement should be louder than XR and more crisp and more detailed. Obviously, no 3.5mm jack. That's in the past, no more. And if you want a 3.5mm jack, you have to get the adapter. If you want a fast charging, you have to get the fast charger. But those are all things what we are already used to with the iPhones. iPhone 11 is ships with new chip from Apple. It's a A13 Bionic 7nm plus, and the chip contain CPU hexa-core 2x2.65 GHz Lightning plus 4x 1.8 GHz standard. So that means two of them are the high speeds, and the four of them are the lower speed. They're making some smart magics around those CPUs and how it's using battery and what it's used for what. And they have their own GPU, Apple GPU, 4-core graphics. Moving on a camera. It's running 12 megapixels at back and 12 megapixels at front. The camera on the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, that's actually the biggest selling point and the biggest change what this phone this year did get, because now we can do they call it a selfie. Yeah, so it's like a selfie with a slow-mo camera, and I will try some of those, and I actually can't wait to make it. It's supposed to be fun. So slow fees on the front, and you will be getting HDR at the front, and you can make 4K with the front-facing camera, and same obviously with the rear one. Yeah, the 4K 60 FPS, so not a problem for this phone anymore. Alright guys, so that was iPhone 11 unboxing and a closer look, a little bits of specifications and overall look on it. I'm planning to make one more video if my brother actually borrows me the phone, where I will try to compare it to XR. Well, in sense like booting times and application opening and etc. They claiming this supposed to be 20 to 30% faster. So I wanna really see if it's really faster. Otherwise, yeah, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments and like, share, subscribe, and see you next one.